Welcome to Car Coach Reports. This is 4 Minute Friday, and I'm Lauren Fix. We are live inside the 2019 Genesis 2-liter manual transmission. We are testing vehicles for the North American Car, Truck, and Utility Vehicle of the Year, and this is what's going on in your automotive world. Let's put 4 minutes on the clock. We're inside the 2019 Honda Insight, and our first subject is Ford Motor Company and the Ford GT supercar. This morning we had an opportunity to go over to Ford to hear some new news. They're going to be producing 1,350 Ford GTs. That's an increase of about 30%. Initially, they said they're going to produce 750 vehicles. That's over a 3-year period, 250 cars per year. They didn't make that initially because of production issues. They produced 138 vehicles in the first year, 250 for 2018 and 2019, and now they say they're going to extend production to 2022. My only concern is those people that have purchased early GTs. This will depreciate the value. How much? We don't know. That all depends on the marketplace. But also note there is no change to performance, no change to brakes or to the look. It's going to be some color options and a competition model that now has air conditioning. This should be very interesting. If you follow the auctions and you follow supercars, you're excited. And if you have an opportunity to order one, they're going to reopen up the ordering process November 8th, which means if you've already applied before, you will get a chance to reapply or correct or amend your existing application. This should be interesting, and we'll be watching. Inside the 2019 Audi A6, number 2. The dirt on electric vehicles is under the hood. A recent study found that in the production of lithium batteries, there's quite a bit of carbon dioxide being emitted into the environment. Actually, 74% more than that of an electric vehicle. So when you look at what they call cradle to grave, which would be producing the products, producing the car, the life of that vehicle, which obviously is zero emissions when you're driving that vehicle, the production of electricity that's used to charge those batteries, and then at the end of the battery, there's 74% more carbon dioxide being emitted into the environment. So while you think electric vehicles are great, let's not just look at the tip of our nose. Let's look much further down the road at the full package on the impact on the environment. That may change your opinion on what's going on. So what are other options? I know everyone knows I love diesel, but honestly, the truth is compressed natural gas, CNG, or hydrogen are great options and something certainly to be considered. Manufacturers are looking into that. They are slowly rolling them out, but again, just like electric vehicles, infrastructure is an issue. Last week, I drove the 2019 Jaguar I-Pace, an all-electric SUV, and in testing it in the Los Angeles area, I had one small problem. Couldn't find a charge point station, and when I did, there were 2 vehicles parked in the only 2 stations. So this is a problem of infrastructure for anything that's not a gasoline or diesel powered vehicle. Again, cart before the horse, egg before the chicken. You can call it anything you want, but the fact is we really need to look at the big picture, and based on sales, consumers are not buying electric vehicles. They want gasoline vehicles. They want to be able to fill up and go whenever they want. Again, less than 2%, even though there's tons of vehicles coming on the marketplace, and it's polluting the environment while they're producing these vehicles and the batteries that go within them underneath the hood. Inside the 2019 Acura RDX, number 3. There are 50,000 truck driver jobs open right now. That is quite a few. So if you're thinking about changing industries, maybe you're not happy with where you are, maybe you have no idea, you get out of high school and you just don't want to go to college or a trade school, think about being a truck driver. You choose the hours. You can be a local truck driver, a long haul driver. So why is that important to you as the consumer? Well, here's why it's important. If there's not enough truck drivers, those that are there are making more money. Those high fees are being passed along to you, the consumer. So if you're thinking about someone who's looking for a job, just cannot find their roots, it's certainly something to consider. And the Truck Driving Association is there to help you. There are lots of great jobs. So don't think of that as not being an option. It certainly is. As the trades are, we're short auto techs as well. This week in automotive history, October 16th, 1958, the El Camino. Yes, a very cool Chevy product was launched. It was an interesting combination of a truck and a car, very successful product, and that's what's going on in your automotive world. If you like this video, make sure to like and share. And for those of you who are smart enough to stay to the end, there is a link down below. We are giving away 5 Harman Kardon cool audio products. That's for thanking you for being some of our 20,000 plus subscribers. We'll try to have more giveaways in the future. Make sure to sign up for that Car Coach Reports at carcoachreports.com. So where will I be next week? I will be at Thunder Hill in California driving the Hyundai Veloster N on the track. It's going to be a lot of fun. Hopefully we'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much for your time. We'll see you next week.